guys, I was working on the lawnmower today, which has been a pain in the butt. Every time I got to put on the muffler the first time, you had to take the motor back off, put it on. Then the gas tank, gas line, can't stand it. And you can see everything, my shirt, everything's dirty. So we're gonna try to start it and hopefully drive it out of here. It's been a really big pain in the butt right now. Having to find gas. What the crap? So yeah, let's see if we can get it started. Guys, I haven't tried to start it off camera, so I just put gas in it a minute ago, and that's all. Okay. Smoke everywhere. Well, I'm probably going to do another video here in just a few minutes about this because the storage is all crappy, and so bye.